Hello family, welcome back to yet another exciting video here at the Fadhili Family. We are always happy to have you with us as we explore simple, natural and wholesome ways of living. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been with us before, you already know we love and appreciate you so much. Today's video is super interesting, so make sure you stick around until the very end. So, what are we making today? Avocado seed tea. Yes, you heard me right. But before we dive into the process, check out these 3 beautiful avocados we have here. Aren't they just perfect? Big, creamy and full of goodness. These are the kind we enjoy at home. And today we are using their seeds to make our special tea. Now, a few days ago, we had some avocado meal and saved the seeds. We let them dry naturally by leaving them out for about a week. As you can see, the outer skin becomes dry and flaky and it peels off quite easily. Once peeled, we are left with the hard inner seed, which is what we are using today. Next, we decide how many seeds to use. You only need 1 or 2 depending on how much tea you're planning to make. If it's just for 1 or 2 cups, 1 seed is enough. The rest you can store in an airtight container for future use. Now, let's grate the seed. Here is something interesting. As you grate, the seed begins to change color, turning reddish brown. That's oxidation, a natural reaction when it comes into contact with air. It's completely normal and safe.
Solo dancing on your body, crazy on my own but all in. I can feel the eyes all staring, but I don't care about them saying I was born a misfit, don't go with the.
Once you have your grated seed ready, it's time to boil. Grab a sufuria or pot, Add some water and bring it to a boil. Add your grated avocado seed, and for that added flavor and health boost, drop in a small piece of fresh ginger. Let it simmer. The aroma is absolutely amazing.
Maybe I'm weak, but it took half a year to get over you, over you. Or maybe I'm good at pretending that I moved on. I don't.
The tea is now ready. I'm pouring mine into this lovely mug right here. You can add some honey if you like it sweet, but today I'll take mine plain to really enjoy the bold, earthy flavor and the touch of ginger.
I'm not ready to need you again, unless this time we're holding on. The truth is I don't know how to forget. So when I saw you coming, I knew I'd be swept right back up, and I didn't care. Been hiding from the truth, but it got me nowhere. 'Cause I'm not ready to meet you again.
So thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. We hope you enjoyed this simple, healthy tea recipe. If you have learned something new or plan to try it out, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who loves natural remedies, and of course, subscribe to the Fadhili family for more wholesome content. Until next time, stay blessed and stay healthy. Goodbye.
Funny how something can hurt you so bad, but you fall right back. Happens just like that. And I'm not quite convinced that it won't end the same this time. Tell me, can people really get a fresh start? Should I be more careful with my